Gold and silver both traded bullish throughout the day, achieving 1785 $22 levels, and at the same time US 30 and US 100 too achieved 33,700 and 11,900 levels. Now what to expect next, which position we should take in order to profit with the US cash session, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. The next update will be released tomorrow before the Asia session, so do watch that also. First, we'll look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100, and towards the end, Dow Jones. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, note down the levels. Now, look at the hourly charts on gold here. It has given a breakout here after trading bullish, and it has shown a reversal, but still it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. Let it go past 1775 once it drops below 1775, certainly you can expect 1770 levels, and below 1770 more bearishness to be seen. If it breaks 1770, certainly we can see a strong drop on the downside. So till the time it trades above 1775, I will not recommend you to take any position. At the same time, above 1785 only I will recommend you to buy. See, it has shown you a good resistance there at 1785 levels. Multiple times it went towards those levels and getting rejected, and hence we need to be cautious there. Directional movement is bullish. It is looking forward to converge crossover for a sell entry. Stochastic was overbought, now looking downwards, and if you look at the MACD, this is also trying to take a bearish crossover. The RSI is looking downwards. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, if you look at on the 2-hour charts, similarly it has given a breakout on the downside. Once it trades above 1785, certainly you can expect more bullishness. Also, it is taking the support from this 50 period moving average situated at around 1775 levels. So below 1775, certainly you can take a sell position for 1770, which is a very good support, and below that gold may crash heavily on the downside. In between 75 and 85, do not trade above 85. It can fly high. Remember, above 85, certainly we can see a very strong movement on the upside. Direction movement trying to take a bearish crossover. It is still in the green zone. The stochastic is overbought, looking downwards. The MACD is in red, and yes, it is trying to diverge again on the 2-hour charts. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, likewise, see, it has taken a after this couple of green candles, it is reversed, and yes, it is still short of this support level on the downside. 1770 1775 zone is going to be critical for this, and if it breaks below 1770, certainly you can expect more bearishness to be seen there. Above 85, yes, you can remain long. That is also very clear. The directional movement so far is bullish, trying to converge. The stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is bearish, and it is still trying to trade with a divergence here. On the 3-hour charts, the RSI is looking downwards, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, likewise, if you see on the 4-hour charts, it has taken a good dip. It has taken a drop from around 1784 levels, and yes, beyond 1785, definitely you can expect it to fly. Till the time it trades below 1785, the chances are little that it can trade sideways, and yes, 1775 is a very good support. Below that, certainly you can expect it to drop little till towards 1770 and below levels. The directional movement so far is bullish here on that 4-hour charts. The stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is bearish here. It is still divergent. Let's see if it continues to trade in this. RSI looking downwards, and if you look at the daily charts, see, on the daily charts, it has seen the highs. I'll wait for it to break past 1785. Then only I will confirm it as bullish, else it can trade with a downward move. There is a probability that it can try to attempt and achieve 1770 levels, which is definitely a good support. Directional movement so far is bullish, and it is trying to converge here. The stochastic is trading overbought. It has to drop a little. Let's see when it does. RSI is divergent and bullish. It has to converge. We'll wait for it to converge crossover, and the RSI is overbought here, and hence a little drop cannot be denied, but then you need to be cautious. Only buy entry above 1785 levels. Till the time it trades below 1785, chances are for 1775 and 1770 levels. 1770, a very good support. Below 1770, 65, 67, and below that a good drop can be expected. Trade accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not trade between 75 and 85 zone. $10, stay away below 75. Still you will get $5. 500 pips are good enough for you to make a decent profit. So take your trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries and right exits and right at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. The next batch, the last batch of this year, is going to start on 28th of November. Do not miss this. Join this batch and definitely you can bang on your new year with a great profits and with great confidence. So reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel description. If you go to the home page of my channel description, you'll find the About tab, and in that my email ID, my Telegram IDs, everything is mentioned. Now let's have a look at the hourly charts. On Nasdaq 100, you will find 11,800 is standing as a wall. 11,920 is standing as a wall. It is trying to trade sideways. Once it trades below 11,800, certainly the next target is still towards 11,750 and 700 levels. There is a potential only if it draws below 11,700. Consider that as bearish. Till the time it trades above 11,700, Nasdaq 100 should not be considered bearish at all. Beyond 11,920, again we can see it rising till towards 11,950, 11,970 levels. Directional movement here is bearish on the hourly. The RSI is trading at bottom. The MACD lines are again diverging and bearish. The RSI is also looking downwards. Now look at the hourly charts and you will find that there is a little resistance it has created for itself at 11,880. Beyond that, 11,900 and 920 levels are definitely going to be a good resistance. And see, it has completed the journey till here. What you can see, it has completed the journey till here. Once it draws below 11,800, certainly it will call for more bearishness. So wait for it to break out below 11,800, then we'll see which direction it wants to take. Now let's have a look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, see, yes, it has given a break, but it has got the support. It is appears that trying to trade between this box 800 to 920, that is a no trade zone for us, very clear. Any breakout below 800 certainly be a good indication for a good drop. Directional movement trying to cross over for a bearish move. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD divergent and bearish. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, look at this previous few candles. Higher lows were seen, and this time it has given a break but failed to go past 11,800. That is the concern. Only below that you can consider this as bearish. On the upside, there is a resistance there at 11,920 level. Beyond that, certainly more bullishness to be seen. Till the time it trades between 11,800 and 920, do not trade. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic comfortable. The MACD is still bearish and it is divergent. It is looking downwards. The RSI is trading near to the highs. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts there. Certainly it has given a breakout here and it is trying to restrain itself below these levels. Certainly once it trades past 11,920, you can consider that as bullish, else till the time probably it can continue with its downward movement. The directional movement is bullish here, trying to converge. The stochastic comfortable. The MACD is divergent and bearish, and the RSI is trading near to the highs. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see, if you look at this, see why 11,800 is providing a support. This is the bottom of this upward trending channel. Once it trades past 11,920, certainly it will call for more bullishness. You have to remain cautious of this. And definitely once it trades below 11,800, you can expect 750, 700 levels as a very good support. Below that, we can see a good drop. Till the time it trades above 11,700, I will not consider US 100 as bearish. Direction movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic trading overbought, and potentially if it converges, crosses over on the downside, it can show you a good break. The MACD has seen the potential highs. Either it will trade in range or it will try to converge from here, and hence it can trade sideways or trade bearish from here. Today RSI trading flat. Considering this, sell at 800, buy at 920. In between these 120 points, do not trade Nasdaq 100. Now let's have a look at Dow. See, Dow Jones on the hourly charts has given a bearish break there, but it is getting support there at 33,450 levels, where we had seen multiple candles getting supported. Below 33,450, certainly we can see a very good drop. Rather, below 33,500 itself you can sell, but 33,450 is a good option. Below that, certainly more bearishness to be seen. At the same time, above 33,650 levels, these are the levels beyond which only we can expect that there are going to be bullishness. Till the time, probably we can remain on the sell side. 33,700 earlier we saw on the day, giving it a very strong resistance. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic trading at bottom. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a sell. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts also it is given a breakout here. But 33,450 again provided it a good support. But remember, this is going to remain bearish. That is what is my expectation on the downside. If it trades above 33,700, you can buy. If it trades below 33,450, you can definitely sell. But in between these 250 points, we have to remain very, very alert. Directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic looking downwards, MACD is bearish, RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, likewise see it has given a breakout here, and this is a breakout candle. Probably it may sustain the bearishness only below 33,450. You can expect that we may see 33,400, 300 and below levels. Directional movement looking forward to a bearish cross, stochastic looking upwards, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI looking downwards here. And now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, likewise it is given a breakout here on the charts. Probably we may be looking at 33,450, 400 and below levels once again. Look at the directional movement trying to converge, stochastic flat, the MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily chart, see the candle here is trying to trade red, and probably it may try to give you a little lows. It can try to come back till towards 33,300. There is a possibility, and below levels are also possible, but then a bounce back also, recovery also cannot be denied. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is looking forward to converge, crossover on the sell side. RSI is trading near to the top. Considering this, those who wants to trade comfortable 33,700 and 33,450, do not trade below 33,450. More bearishness to be seen above 33,700. It can trade bullish, and it can again go or went till towards 34,000 levels, also 33,800 the next target, 840 the next target, and then beyond that 33,920, 34,000 levels to be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.